For all the updates, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. If you're new here, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Today's video, as by the title you guys know, is the fab bag of January. Yes, I know it's December and I was also shocked when I received this fab bag today. I just received it an hour ago and I thought that let's share the products that I received inside it with you all guys, because every month I'm excited to know what all products, fab bag or any other subscription box that I buy, they are going to send, and I seriously don't know anything that what all products are there inside, because generally every month on the 1st or the night of 31st or 30th I start looking the websites and Facebook pages and YouTube that what all products are coming this month. And January is, I guess, going to be full of surprises, and maybe it is a sign that the coming year might be full of surprises for every one of us. So without talking a lot, let's get into the video. So let's first open it. So this is what is inside the bag, the box. The fab bag and a skin therapy facial bar by Palmolive. It's a very old brand and it contains vitamin C and E. Well, we'll get into this later, but let's first talk about the bag. I like the color. Of course, it's a silver and the quality is also quite good. It's the normal it's like the normal other fab bags quality. It's not extremely superb, but yeah, it's fine. And also the size is not too big. It's smaller than the normal size that they send, and so therefore it looks as if it's full. And yes, it's packed with stuffs, and I can see some stuff that I already love. So once I emptied it, these are all the things inside the box. Let's first talk about the card. It says the big steel January fab bag. Have fun trying out this product, and then they have share all the details of the bag that the products contain, and then there's a card from Palmolive. So first let's talk about this Palmolive soap facial bar only. As it says that it's a facial bar, so it's of course for our face. Generally these days no one prefer using soap on their faces, so they have tried to do something different. It contains vitamin C and E. It contains turmeric and turmeric that helps to soft the skin and gives it a radiant effect. We all know that turmeric gives a radiant effect, but I never heard about turmeric. And also it contains natural charcoal powder. It absorbs the dust and dirt, so I need to try out this for giving my review, but let's see that how it works. And it smells quite good. It's like regular soap. The price is also not too high. It's only for ₹55. Next is the Nature's Co Keep Sea Bath Salt. So it helps to relax and de-stress the natural way. You just need to put it in a bathtub, or if you just want to soak your feet or hands, you just need to add this on your tub and dip it inside and just relax. The price of this is ₹400. And also the products of Nature's Co is exclusively made only for fab bags, so you're not going to get Nature's Co product anywhere else. But yeah, as they are sending the products of Nature's Co, so I have seen that the products are quite good. Till now I have used around 2-3 products of Nature's Co, and I quite like it because I have already finished every one of them, so I guess I liked it, that's why I've used them. Next is a lip balm from Bio Bloom, which is a must needed during the winter, so it's good that they have sent this. It contains coconut oil, beeswax, vitamin E, shea butter, cocoa butter, mint oil, and also it's paraben free, it's sulfate and petrochemicals free. That's really very good. It has a strong smell of mint, and I haven't used any kind of lip balm that contains or that has such a strong mint fragrance. I don't know that how it's going to work, but yeah, let's see that how it works. Next up we have a sampling product. It is the Hip Hop Skincare Insta Nail Polish Remover Wipes. It contains 2 wipes and it's a sample product, and it has the circular wipes. It's good to use on the way. If you are in hurry, you just throw it in your bag, because carrying a nail paint remover liquid is a task. So yeah, it's good that they have sent this, and I hope that someday in Fab Bag or in any other subscription bag we receive a full pack of this. Next is a product of our choice. So this month they had a huge list of products from where we can choose products. They have lipsticks, kajal, eyeliner, mascara, and one more product from Sugar, and then they have this Sugar Compact. So I chose the Sugar Compact. So this is how it looks. It's cute, it's square in shape, and then it inside they have given this puff, and yeah, the puff is also very soft. I have tried almost all the Sugar products, and this was the only thing that I haven't tried, so I thought of taking this month. And the shade that I have ordered is 30 Cappuccino. I think it will go with my skin. And now the last products, which seems quite new to me. It's an Ivory Peach Moisturizer. It looks as if it's a spray, but let's see what it is. For first time you need to pump it at least 5-6 times, and then it's going to come, and it has a nice fragrance of peach in it. It's natural whitening, oil balancing, remove dark circles and spots. Let's see that whether it works or not to remove the dark circles and spots, because since 2-3 months I'm getting frequent breakouts and pimples all over my face. And as it's winter, and especially in Delhi, it's so cold that moisturizers is a thing that we all always need. So again, a thoughtful product to include during the winters. They have given the directions that how to use it after cleansing your face with W2 foam face wash. Apply a small quantity of Ivory Peach moisturizing lotion onto your face and body. Massage it in a circular motion for best results. Use after every wash, and you need to store it in a cool and dry place away from sunlight. They have given its benefits as well. So it's a peach moisturizing lotion, is a gentle formula that is conditioning, oil balancing, naturally whitening and anti-aging, white removal and preventing dark circles, dark spots and wrinkle. It protects the skin against UV rays and acne. So by its fragrance, I like it, and it's a very new brand. I haven't listened or seen this brand W2 anywhere, so I can't say anything about it. First let me try and then only I can give you my review on this. The price of this is rupees 220. So guys, these were all the products that I have received in the January fab bag of 2019. And if you have already ordered your bag, because there were a lot of discounts that were going on the December, so I hope that you have already ordered one for yourself. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, then hit that like button below and also comment down in the comment section whatever you feel like. And yes, now we are going to meet in 2019, and I want to wish you guys a happy new year in advance, because if you know, I wasn't being constant uploading videos these few months, so I'm not sure that I'm going to upload a video on the 1st of Jan, but I wish I could do that, but I'm quite busy with a lot of things that's going on, so that's the reason that I'm not uploading videos. But from January itself, again, I'll be back on the track, and I have a lot of video ideas on my mind which I am super excited to share with you all. So yeah, keep waiting, and till then subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. So a very happy new year to all of you, and I wish that this new year is full of beautiful and exciting surprises for every one of us. You take care and enjoy your New Year's Eve. So yeah, now we'll meet next year. Till then, you take care. Bye.